Hi, Lily. What
Hello.
what candy are you eating there?
Chocolate.
Is there something inside there? Is there a flavor? I saw it's green. Maybe it's peppermint. Is it mint chocolate?
Mm.
So, Lily, before the break, you told me about your trip and that you had a book, a notebook, a book that you were going around with. You said you went.
What? Mm.
So now in this book, I'm assuming you were writing in Korean, or was it in English?
Korean.
Oh. So now, can you show me something that you wrote there? You are always writing neatly. I want to see your neat handwriting. Where did you write?
Yeah.
Oh, there at the top I can see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And
So
then the last page.
that's a very long book. This tour was a long tour, maybe.
It's until 20 pages.
20 pages and you have two books, so 40 pages.
Now this is me and this is my mom.
Oh,
And in the bus, the teacher did the
a raffle.
voting.
A raffle?
Yeah. Well, teacher bought this. He bought with his own money, and then he did like that, and then my mom got picked, and there's no
Your mom
pictures.
got picked out of how many people?
32.
Wow, that's really lucky. And this was the prize, this notebook?
Yes.
Very nice. Look at that cover. It's like, what is that? Is that like a dragon on the front?
I think this is a picture.
All right, cool. Very lucky your mom got chosen. Um, Lily, did you ever get chosen out of a raffle?
Wait. Yes.
Oh, you in a lucky family. I have never been chosen for a raffle. What did you win in your raffle?
What did I want?
What did I win? Maybe it was a long time ago.
Yeah.
All right,
Probably.
probably a long time ago. Lily, let's continue with our class. I'm a little bit scared because I see there's some doctor's equipment in the classroom. I don't like those things. Those, what is it? What is it called?
A shot.
It's a shot or an injection. All right, so Lily, let's continue with our articles. We are going to look at a floating home. The floating home is surrounded by
What?
we've seen the floating home before. It is surrounded by
Yeah.
water and Lily, did you prefer living in a floating home
No.
or on ground?
On ground.
On ground. Do they use electricity on this floating home?
Yes.
They need to. Why? What do they use electricity for?
Why?
What do they use electricity for?
Because they can't cook or they can't have a food because of refrigerator.
The refrigerator, charging your phone, charging your computer, TV, so many things that we need. electricity for. So how can they make electricity? How can they get electricity? They are in the middle of the water.
The thing.
Which one?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. So, Lily, in Alaska, there is a man in Alaska who created a power generator that you put into the water. Now, this water, Lily, it's moving. The water is moving. And when water moves, we call that a current, a water current. It can be a weak current or it can be a strong current. Strong currents can be quite dangerous. If you are swimming in a strong current, that current can take you out and you cannot swim against the current. So, this device that he made, the power generator, put it into the water, and what will it start to do?
Drop anchor.
It will start to turn. Lily, this is a turbine. The turbine will start to turn. Can you say for me? The turbine will start to turn.
Turbine will start to turn.
Why will it start to turn? Because the current, the water current, is making this turn. Do you remember the wind turbine? What is making the wind turbine turn?
Wind.
Exactly. And here, what is making this turbine turn?
Water.
Okay. Now, because the turbine is turning, it will turn this generator. So the turbine turns the generator and the generator makes electricity. So three things, Lily. It's the current, it's the turbine, and it's the generator. So I'm going to write here current, turbine, and number 3, generator. So Lily, put this device in the water. The current will turn the turbine will turn the generator will make electricity. Can you explain to me what happens after they put it in the water?
The current turns the turbine makes the generator turn.
And then the generator does what?
Make the power.
Makes the power. Lily, please read for me the title of this article.
Alaskan inventor is 3D printing tidal power of generators for houseboats.
Just drop
anchor and power on.
There was a very long pause. I was wondering what happened. Lily, drop the anchor. What is this anchor?
I don't know.
Oh, so the anchor, the ships and the boats, they have this anchor. Let me show you. And there is a reason why it has the anchor. If it drops it into the water...
The hook.
That hook, yes, that hook is called the anchor. Why do ships and boats have anchors, Lily?
Because they have to stop.
If they want to stop. Because the current, the water current is strong and it can move the boat. And if the boat doesn't want to move, it drops the anchor. Right, Lily? Should they drop the anchor before or after they want to start making electricity?
Before.
Exactly, before. Okay, do you have any questions?
No.
Let's move on to the last article. This is... Oh, Lily, do you have your notebook in front of you?
Yes.
Let's open your notebook and let's quickly write the summary of this title.
Alaska.
So let's write our own sentence. I don't want to copy the same sentence. Let's write From the current. So the current, can you write for me? The water current. Actually, I will write it with you. Turns the turbine. What do you think is next, Lily?
The turbine makes the generator turn, and the generator. Why is it to the?
Thank you.
The turbine turn.
And the generator makes electricity. And the generator makes. Okay, good. This sentence is enough to summarize this article. If you read this sentence, do you understand what is happening?
Yes.
Or do you want to add another sentence?
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Lily, the next article is about a soccer stadium in Spain. What's the capital city of Spain?
Madrid.
Nice.
No. Yes.
Yes, that is correct. It is Madrid. Lily, did you ever visit Spain?
No.
Okay, so I think that should be your next destination when you go to Europe. Spain is a beautiful country. Now, they have this soccer stadium. There is something special about this stadium. Sometimes this grass field, look at what they do with. So they pack it away because for other events in the stadium, they will have a concert at the stadium. And if there are so many people at the concert, the people will walk and damage the grass. And that will be bad for the soccer players. Lily? If the grass goes underground, will it survive? Is that healthy for the grass?
Yes.
Underground, it's good for the grass. No, it's not good.
Why?
It doesn't.
It's real grass?
Yes, it's real grass. It's a real plant. And they want to take care of it really well. So, underground it's not good because there is no sunlight for the plant.
Yeah.
Underground is not good because there is no air for the plant. Lily, what do plants need to survive?
Sunlight, water, mineral.
And air.
Yeah.
So that's exactly what they've installed in this stadium. Underground is a greenhouse. A greenhouse is where they take care of the light, take care of the water, and take care of the air. There is air ventilation. So let's read here. Can you read for me?
Madrid's iconic football stadium now has a 4-story underground greenhouse to store retractable grass field.
Retractable means it can move in and out, it can open and close. Lily, this field is retractable because it goes underground and come back up. Underground and come back up. Lily, why do they move it underground?
Because after the soccer match, maybe there can be another event. So if the people will step the grasses, then if they step the grasses, the grass will be damaged. So we have to move them.
Good. Lily, we don't say grasses. Grass is the plural for grass. So step on the grass. Can you say for me, step on the
Step
grass?
on the grass.
All right. Don't step on the grass, you will damage the grass. Or if you go to the park, you want to run on the grass. All right.
Yeah.
Lily, let's do a quick review in your book. Let's make a sentence here. What is this article about?
An iconic football stadium iconic football stadium has made underground greenhouse for a rectangle grass field.
Okay, so let's write something. Let's keep it simple. I want to keep it simple and fast. The field, the soccer field, can move underground.
The soccer what?
The soccer field can move. I will highlight it as soon as I'm done, and then you will be able to see it better. The soccer field can move underground. It is well taken care of. Underground. And how is it well taken care of?
By a greenhouse.
Okay, so let's write there. The water, light, and air is supplied underground. Supply D. Sorry, that is a D. Right, Lily, when you finish writing, please read it for me.
The soccer field can move underground. It is will take care.
Oh,
Well
taken. Well taken.
Well taken care of underground. The water, light, and air is supplied underground.
Okay, good. Lily, now we move on. Today I'm impressed, Lily. We are doing so many things and I'm moving quite fast and you are keeping up. So well done. Even it's Friday and you are Friday evening. You don't look tired. Oh, that's right. You didn't go to school today. That's why you are not tired. Okay, so now we move on to our I want to review those 3 stores that we looked at. There is a general store. The general store sells everything online. What other store is there? 2 other stores.
The store.
The niche store. What is a niche store, Lily?
The real store.
Oh, the niche store is a specific category of products. If you remember, we saw the golf store online and they were only selling golf products. They don't sell umbrellas and they don't sell computers. They only sell that specific product. Things about golf. This is a niche. That is a golf niche. Then there is another niche. Can you think of another niche? How about animal products? Such as animal toys, animal food. This is the animal niche. So you go to the pet store, they don't sell shoes for people. They don't sell computers. They only sell pet products.
Pets.
Yeah, this is a pet niche. Now I want you to try and think of another niche. There are so many niches.
What do we call that? Bookstore.
Nice one. The bookstore. What niche is that? It's selling to people that want to read. They don't go there to buy toys, they go there to find books to read. So that is the books niche. Then there can be different books. There can be science books, reading books, fiction, non-fiction. And then the last store, Lily, the last store was a one product store. So on that website, you can only buy one product. Which store do you think is the best online store? The general store, the niche store, or the one product store?
General store.
Me too. I like the general store. Why do you like the general store?
Because we can buy many things at one store, not moving to the website.
Exactly. Not moving from one side to the other side. Find everything in one store. But sometimes if we cannot find it in Kupang, then we must go look elsewhere. Try find a niche store, try find a one product store. Okay, good. Now Lily, the products that are sold in these stores, why do they sell these products? Well, they need to check if the products are in demand. Are the products in demand? Can you say for me? Are the products in demand?
Are the products in demand?
What does that mean? In demand means people want to buy the products. People are looking for those things. You said a bookstore. Let's look at that for example. If you are a bookstore owner, Lily, what will be your store name? Lily's Books.
Good.
So now you are selling the books, and who do you want to buy the books? Do you want children to buy the books or adults to buy the books? What kind of books are you going to sell?
Children.
Children's books. Okay, so now we are going to talk about something called target market. Can you say for me? Target market.
Target market.
Target is what we are shooting for, what we are aiming for. Did you ever play archery?
Yeah.
And archery, what do you shoot?
Target.
You shoot the target. You try hit the target. So target is who we are aiming for. Can you say for me? The target is where we are aiming.
Target is where you're aiming.
So now target market means who do we want to buy the product? Lily, your product is those books. You said children's books. Who is the target market for children's books? Do you think it's teenagers in high school? Do they want to buy children's books?
No.
Do you think it's...
Yes.
Why? Why do teenagers want to buy...
But they can have children.
But the teenagers are too young to have children, don't you think? Maybe when they are a little bit older, then they will have children.
Maybe.
Maybe. So I think the target market is a little bit older. People who have kids, what age are they? People who have young kids. What age are
How
they?
young?
Well, how young are your books for? Remember, you are the owner of the store. What age do you want to sell to?
1.
1? You cannot. Lily, were you reading books at the age?
8.
8. Okay, that's a good range. Maybe you can say between 5 and 10. Age range between 5 and 10. Different levels, of course. Okay, so this is target market. Lily, can you explain to me what is target market?
Target is who you want to sell to.
Who you want to sell to. So we spoke about the age of the target market. What about the location of the target market?
Location of the target near the kindergarten or school.
So the place. So let's look at the world. Let's look at the global scale. Do you want to sell in America? Do you want to sell in Europe? Do you want to sell in Asia? What kind of books are you going to sell? You said it's children's books. Is it English children's books, young English?
English.
Is it Chinese books you can sell in China? Is it Korean?
English.
English books. And I'm going to ask you again, the target market, is it for English students who already know how to read English or who are learning how to read English?
Both.
Oh, we need to choose one. We need to choose one.
How to learn.
Okay, so it's a learning book. So for beginners. Do you see how I'm asking you questions to define the target market? We are defining who the customers are. Okay, so you said people that are learning how to read English. Lily, is that going to be where on the map? Selling in America, selling in Europe, selling in
Europe?
in Asia. Which countries?
Asia.
Asia,
No.
yeah. Yeah, Asia. In Asia, China, Korea, Japan, that is where they are trying to learn English.
Mm.
Yes, of course, in America they study English too, but for our target market, we want young English learners. All right, Lily, do you have any questions about target market?
No.
Okay. Let's review quickly. What did we do in this second half class? What did we talk about? It's quite a few things.
We talk about Alaska Adventure and Madrid. Soccer stadium.
The soccer stadium. What was special about the soccer stadium?
It could retractable field.
Retractable field. And then what about the business talk, the products? What did we see there?
Target market.
Okay, we saw the target market. 3 stores. What were those 3 stores? The 3 online stores are general, niche.
Niche, one product.
Lily, I think we wrote that in the book, but let's write it one more time. Can you write online stores? And then underneath 1, 2, and 3. What were those 3 stores?
Online store.
Oh, it's a general online store. General. Number 2.
Niche.
Niche. Niche.
One product store.
One product stores. Okay, so these are all online stores. Buying online. Online shopping. Lily, what's happening this weekend? You are actually you are continuing your weekend. You are not starting your weekend.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do for the rest of your weekend?
I'm going to go to camping.
Camping? What are the important things that you are bringing with to camping? What is something that you
Coco.
what do you always bring when you go camping?
The bed.
The the bed? Isn't your bed big and heavy? How do you carry your bed?
It's called an. Dum, 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 dum.
Is it maybe an inflatable bed? You can blow it and it inflates.
Nope.
No?
Sleeping bag.
Ah, your sleeping bag. Okay. What about
And where the
for the mosquitoes?
mosquito.
Yeah, that's definitely necessary. And then what about for cooking? Or do you bring
The water. Not water. Drinkable water
drinkable water
and food.
and food? But is it raw food or already cooked food?
I don't know.
I think maybe you will take raw food and then cook it there on the barbecue.
Maybe.
Or maybe a stove. Are you taking a stove with you? A gas stove.
Maybe.
I think your mom will take care of it. Your mom is packing. Did you pack your bag already?
No.
No. You still have time. Lily, what are these things you're showing me? I see you have some bottles there.
Water.
Oh. Is it to keep cool? Do you just spray to keep cool? Why do you have those spray bottles?
I don't know.
Lily, do you have any questions for me?
What are you going to do in this weekend?
Lily, I don't have a plan this weekend, but the sun is out. The sun has been gone this whole week, from Monday until yesterday. Now it's out, and I hope it stays like that Saturday, Sunday. Maybe I can take a nice walk around the city. Enjoy your camping trip, and maybe you'll take some photos. Have a nice evening, Lily. See you next week.
Bye bye.
Bye, Lily.